Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, and if you're new, welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Today, guys, I have an amazing, simple, easy recipe to share with you guys. It's lettuce bacon wrapped smokies. My cousin Marlene, she's mentioned to me, Anna, you really need to try these. They are amazing. And I said, yes, I do. And here I am sharing it with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what you're going to need to make your bacon wrapped lettuce smokies. So grab yourself some smokies, anything you guys like, and get yourself some bacon. I'm just going to use this one. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab yourself a tray. You can, if you have a rack, you can use that. If not, you can just place it right onto the parchment paper. I'm just going to spray it with some of this Palm olive oil, just so it doesn't stick the bacon to the rack. Just put that aside there for a second. And then you're just going to grab your smokies and some bacon. So you want to preheat your oven to 375. Got your bacon, you got your smokies, and what you're going to do is you're just going to grab yourself a piece of bacon, a smokie. These ones come together like this, so I'm just going to cut them in half. And you're going to grab your smokie and your bacon, and you're just going to wrap it around and then place it on your rack. So you grab your smokie, grab your bacon, and then just wrap it around. Okay, so now you've got your smokies wrapped with bacon. Don't those look delicious? We're gonna pop those into the oven. We're gonna check them in about 15 minutes. Maybe we might need to flip them, but should be in there for about 25-ish minutes at 375. So let's pop that into the oven. Okay, so now we're gonna just place those in the oven, like so. And that's it. So set your timer for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna check back in 15. Okay, so I've gone ahead and pulled them out of the oven and I've turned them over. So it's about 15 minutes now. So I'm gonna put them back in for another 15 minutes. They're just out of the oven. It was in for about 35 minutes. They look amazing. Okay guys, so I've taken them out of the oven. Now I'm ready to prep them in our lettuce wrap. So I've gone ahead and I'm using the iceberg lettuce, and I've washed it and dried them up. So we're just going to grab some lettuce. And you can use whatever fixings you guys like. I'm just gonna be using some onions, some sugar-free ketchup, and some mustard. So you're just going to take your onion, put a little bit of an onion in there. A little bit of ketchup. little bit of mustard. You're gonna take your Smokie and you're just going to give it a little wrap. Like that. Place it on our plate there. So you're just gonna grab a piece of lettuce, some onion, a little bit of mustard, a little bit of ketchup, grab yourself your Smokie, just give it a little wrap. You guys, there you have it. Some lettuce wrapped bacon smokies. Oh my God, you guys must try. Absolutely delicious. All right, everyone, that is how I made the lettuce bacon wrapped smokies. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. And don't forget to subscribe to see future videos from me. Have yourselves all a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye for now.